As the battle raged on, the relentless cannon fire filled the air.
For example, your lungs take in oxygen.
These tasks prevent wear and tear, ensuring the car runs smoothly.
Some say they used sledges and rolled the stones over logs.
Think of your heart pumping blood. Together, they help us understand how our bodies are built and how they function.
The vibrant green foliage surrounds you. The ground beneath your feet is soft and slightly damp. Occasionally, you hear the distant call of a howler monkey.